Hey guys, little rail fan here. We're on 100 here. But like in Robbinsdale, but it doesn't get used a lot. But see for train spotting off 100. First of a couple, I'm gonna do one a little far now, but yeah. 7th day of lovely and talented July 2024. So you can see some trains, but Highway 81 goes that way. Always wanted to come over here. Fun to get over here. I was gonna park way down there, but I'm like, nah, come way down here. It isn't too badly tatted up. Danger, no trespassing. Keep off bridge. That's right. Now stay off the bridge. None of that behavior. But yeah, it's a nice day for rail fanning. We're at the airport, made a little grr. So, when this comes out in May, hope you guys like the Burnett one. Drove up there, she wanted to go have some ice cream, so that was fun. So I'm gonna do another one, then I'm gonna do a pedestrian bridge over there by a Penn that goes to the Green Line. So yeah, kind of nice little bridge. There should be trains on this one. The one over here, I'm gonna go over there. Pretty good. This is Highway 100. Kind of had to look for when I went up that way. Went around over there, and I couldn't really find my way over there, so I had to go across over there and then come down here, park there on the over there, do my dirty work. But yeah, this is Highway 81, Broadway. This goes all the way to 694. A lot of this is Canadian Pacific. There's a one. I saw that cartbagger. This is in October. He came back around again. You saw my Mall of America. I did all floors. I knew we would go to Mall of America because what's his name? Daily Woo did a Mall of America one and got a lot of views on it. So he was doing the same thing. I knew he'd come back around. I told that to Douche, but I guess he was in 4th of July at a family get together. But I knew he would. I listened to part of it, but I can't listen to a 35-minute video on something like that. I can watch something for 12 minutes. I can't watch. I like listening to history for 35 minutes. Give me a story, but not them all. Yeah, you see rail fan, you guys. Nice day for a walk. See, if this was covered, I guarantee they'd be tagging it. So, no dead bodies. It looks like a 4th of July thing or something down there. Like the one you saw, there was a cat cut in half. I don't see a train on this too much, but it's a pretty well kept train track. It's pretty nice. But, yeah, you know, I do a little rail fanning, a little train spotting. Never know. Might find one like the one you did see, that one I was on, that train came through. Yeah, she wanted to go up to Burnett, and I said, well, we'll go on Saturday, because this is July 4th weekend, come back, everyone's gonna be coming back, it'll be a big traffic jam on 35W, so we got that out of the way. Bought some cheese and whatever else. So, yeah, it's fun to train spot. I could have came over here too as well. Came on over there, walked over there too. So there were ways to get on here, but right over here. But it was a little more secure over here. Come on down over there. Little lake down over there. Robbinsdale. where I'm at. So yeah, hopefully we had a lot of snow this winter in 2025. Last we didn't have much. A lot of rain in 2024. Right now the Mighty Mo is pretty high. If you go back in my archives, you'll see all the videos how low it was and how high it was before. So remember last time that pond, I was over here one time. That was really low. A lot of water in the great state of Minnesota. I like this camera, DJI Action 4. Actually, I mean, I still like my GoPro, but I can do more videos on it. I fixed the microphone thing on it, and it's fun. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is a pretty good railroad track, pretty well kept. He's going northbound, coming at me, and southbound on 100. Robbinsdale has a nice electrical store, sells mixers. I told him he had some cool mixers for 50 bucks. And I went there and I told him you should have some headsets. What do you mean? I said, you're going to sell mixers, great. Sell headsets, boom mics. Kind of looked at me like, I'm telling you, I'd be selling left and right. Get a bunch of headsets in there for, you can sell a whole pack for $200. Advertise on YouTube, advertise on Spreaker. You guys see anything yet? I don't yet. You never know. Hell yeah. Some trash. Can there. McDonald's. Train spotting and rail fanning are pretty Mr. Popularity on YouTube. I like when people are doing that to tell me what the hell I'm looking at, so just running their mouth. But a little more garbage over here. Yep, danger, stay off the tracks. BNSF. Shame on you. So, anyways, we'll get back down in the fag car, and we'll head on the next one. So, hope you enjoyed it. And we'll yak everybody all later. So, continue on rail fanning. Having the time of our lives. So anyways, guys. So I'm in Robbinsdale, 694 that way. And everything else, guys. So, all right. We'll see you on the next adventure.